love volume. They're big volume muscles. You're on them all the time. You're using them all the time. So exercises in the gym, really easy, standing calf raises and donkey calf raises. The other one is leg press. The leg press machine is a great way to load up those calves, hold heavy weights in your hands. If I was going to pick one exercise to do for the calves, it would be grab 2 heavy weights. So now you're getting grip training and you're getting shoulder and core training. And I would do calf raises with a deficit. So I'd have my feet on a bench. So if this is my bench and these are my feet, I would come up and then I would go lower, because if you do them on the ground, you're not getting that deficit. That's going to really stretch and get the eccentric part of the calf. To go the other route, so what can I do outside or not in the gym? It's to hike and walk. I can't recommend hiking enough. I love the variability. The incline will help a lot with the calf muscles and getting those stimulated. So if I was going to pick 2 things, you've got calf raises with holding heavy weights or any calf machine that they have at the gym, and to start by walking and then hiking and then increasing the difficulty of the hike.